Alright guys, today we're going to be making our nest boxes, and I'm going to give this Craig rip cut thing a try. I've got it attached to my skill saw there, circular saw and we're going to give it a go. I'll leave a link in the description to that. And then we're going to use a lot of pocket holes too to connect all the pieces to make the nest boxes. So I'll leave a link in the description to that stuff if anybody's interested in it. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut a 4 feet, the width of the plywood. This is 1/2 inch plywood, and we're going to cut a 1 foot strip. That's going to be the bottom, and then we're going to cut another 1 foot strip, and that's going to be the dividers. And then we're going to cut 2 4-inch strips, and those are going to be the front and the back, because we want to be able to get into the nest box from the back. So that's going to be the plan, and we'll get to it. All right, I like that rip cut. That works pretty good. Makes it real easy for little projects like this. I don't have a big one. It's just, I think it cuts up to 2 feet. So, but it works great for this. What I'm going to do now is we have, this is our base, and then we need to cut our dividers out of that. But I want to do, it's 4 feet wide, so I want to do 4 nest boxes. And in order to get 4 nest boxes, we're going to need 5 dividers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in order to get 5 dividers out of this, it's 4 feet across. So we're just going to make each one of these 9.5 inches. And that'll just be the height. So we'll cut this 9.5 inches, and then it'll stand up this way, and that'll be just fine. So we'll still be stretching from one side to the other. We'll still have that 12-inch width, but it'll just have 9-inch height, and then these will cap each side. And that'll just give us 5 out of our 4 feet. And yeah. And we'll go ahead and cut those on the miter saw. We'll set up a stop block to our 9.5 inches so we get them all the same. So let's get to it. Alright, so now we got to use our handy dandy little small pocket hole jig here. What we're going to do is, these are going to be sitting like this, and so we're going to have a set of two sets of pocket holes here that are going down into this base board, and then we're going to have pocket holes, 1 set on either side at the bottom, and that's going to catch the face. So we'll do that on all those. And then on the actual base, we're going to make probably 4 or 5 sets on the bottom going out that are also going to catch the face, because the face is just going to sit in front of all this like that. So we come up from the bottom, it'll catch that. So we'll see how it works out. I'm not going to use any glue. I'm just going to try to use just pocket holes and see what happens, and we'll see how strong it is. Alright, so we got the pocket holes all drilled. So we're going to go ahead and start assembly. I've been told that when you're on the edge like this, that it's best to go on the outside with the pocket hole like that, instead of flipping it around on the inside. So on the ends, I'm gonna go like this, and then whatever on the middle. It doesn't matter on the middle ones, but I just thought you guys should know. I've heard that. I don't know if it's true or not, that it's going to add to the strength. It seems like it would. So we're going to go ahead and start assembling. Alright guys, there's your finished product, and it is solid as a rock. Which, you know, maybe I overkilled it on all these pocket holes. But, yeah, that is freaking solid. Awesome. So, you can see there, I used the pocket holes here to drill into the face. And I had these drilling into the face. And then I had these two on each one of these dividers drilling down into the base. And yeah, that worked perfectly. So there you go. Now we're just going to set it in there, and they'll be able to get in, and we'll be able to reach into the nest boxes from behind, and it'll work great. Alright guys, it's a little late. Sorry for the video here, but there they are in the coop. I'm just going to leave them sitting in here for right now till I know for sure that's where I want them. And I might elevate them. I was thinking about making a box for them to sit on, but now looking at it, I think it's going to be good right there. So there you go, nest boxes installed, and we'll see if they like them come tomorrow. Thanks for watching.